Okay, after first boot, we've been sitting here for about 10 minutes and it is loaded that stuff there, some broken links there, and hasn't even seen the mouse nor the keyboard yet. So, I don't know if the hard drive is really messed up or if it's just that little clunky 128 meg of DDR1 RAM. But we'll give it a few more minutes here and see if it comes to life at least eventually. A little bit of progress here. It just sees the mouse. And I think that's the keyboard as well. One step at a time. And that light there, the hard drive light, is just solid. Oh, I forgot to mention it has a couple USBs, probably 1.0 on the bottom, and a microphone and a headphone jack there. Still wondering about the AOL. Wasn't anything in the optical drives. They both eject just fine and go back in just fine, so they don't stick. And it says updates are ready. Oh boy, updates for Windows XP. Oh boy. Just taking a quick look at what's been installed on this thing. Something called Microsoft Money 2002. Something called BigFix. CompuServe. AOL Coach version. Instant Messenger. AOL Online. What else? I'm pretty sure there was Norton on here at one time. Let's see, they got the Yahoo Toolbar, Winamp, Real Player Basic, and Netscape 6. This has been around for quite a while. And this is all the stuff it was telling to load at boot up when I got it. All these pretty much unneeded programs were booting up at startup. Like, do we really need MSM Messenger, Money Express, or MSSY Messenger, or HP Digital Imaging? All that stuff. With 128 megs of RAM, I really don't think so. And here you go. You got 39 megs out of 128 available when running all this stuff and a regular or a selective boot up. So yeah, I'll see if I can find a little bit more RAM to put in here and kind of speed this thing up again. I'm also going to take a look at the disk health. And it looks like we have a 40 gig NTFS non-SATA drive. So we'll take a look at their tools here. And we'll do the error checking first, and then a defrag. This could take quite a while. Okay, restart the Windows, I guess. And we'll see how long that takes. It says it's 11:26 p.m. So we'll wait until the next reboot.